the pain in the ass with me. He was asked to do some video and not make you one sick, seasick, but I think he just made himself seasick. Alright. First piece. Do some watching and fitting and we're like this is the progress so far. It's looking alright. Finish up that end, and then I think we're going to do some corners, finish off the corners. Oh, not too bad. School day. West wall. Over to him and pins him on the ground. Thinking, well, maybe I won't eat him, but I feel a little frisky. So gets at him, gets her done. And next year the guy gets himself this latest laser scope rifle with big bore rifle and just everything, big clip, and sees that same barrel. Oh, I'm gonna get that bear back, eh? And takes a shot at him and misses. Bear runs over, goes to town on him again. Well, the third year, he's got everything, laser sighted, GPS signaling on his gun and everything. So he's not gonna miss that bear. Well, sure enough, sees that same bear again, shoots and misses, and the bear comes running over, pins him on the ground, and looks at him and goes, "You're really not here for the bear hunting, are you?" Corners done, completely done on the back and the bottom part's front. I got most of the siding is about 90% of the siding is done. There's some caulking and flashing and trim work to do up top there. It's looking good.
wind is really up.
Yeah, I think I'm going to finish this side off. It beats you up out
It does.
Well, this morning we're going to do a bit more work on the cabin. Another sunny day in Saskatchewan. The nice thing about waking up here, about 99% of the time there's sun. Even though it gets a little nippy in the winter time, the sun is nice to see. And we're getting closer to having it completely dried in. I'm going to work on the shed, back wall of the utility shed today. And move another inch on the yardstick. Let's get at it. That's where we got yesterday. And this is what we're going to cover up. Some of the salvaged tin we got are a bunch of 4-foot sections, so we're going to make use of that. So this is where we are now. Just got one last piece to go in. And 3 sides, well, 2 outsides, just about done. And we still got trim work and such to do, but that's how we eat an elephant, a little bit at a time. Backside finished, except for there's some trim work that has to be done yet, but it's basically dried in now. Just gotta start working on the front door now and figure out what I'm gonna do with that. Alrighty, on to the next one.
Here we go, we got shed almost pinned all in. All it needs now is a door. Tin on all sides, got a corner piece on. Tin in the back. We got a home for the lawnmower and whatever other things we decide to leave here. She's looking good.